Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, Admission Hub will share with you the newest update on IRCC's processing times in 2022. On March 31st, Immigration Minister announced new updates to the government's online processing times tool. This is good news for future newcomers to make plans based on a more accurate timeline. To find out how IRCC updates the processing times tool to provide more accurate information, stay at the end of the video and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. As of March 31st, processing times are the following. Economic Class Immigration. Express Entry Canadian Experience Class, CEC 7 months. Express Entry Federal Skilled Worker Program, FSWP 27 months. Express Entry Federal Skilled Trades Program, FSTP 27 months. Express Entry Provincial Nominee Program, PNP 22 months. Non-Express Entry Aligned PNP, 27 months. Quebec Skilled Worker Streams, 31 months. Quebec Business Class, 65 months. Federal Self-Employed Persons, 42 months. Atlantic Immigration Program, 14 months. Startup Visa, 31 months. Caregivers Pilots, no processing times available. Family Class Immigration. Spouse or common law partner living in Canada, 16 months. Spouse or common law partner living outside Canada, 19 months. Parents or grandparents, 32 months. Dependent child, varies by country. Adopted child or relative, varies by country. Refugees and humanitarian and compassionate, HNC, applicants. Government-assisted refugees, varies by country. Privately sponsored refugees, varies by country. Protected persons and convention refugees in Canada, 22 months. HNC cases, 16 months. Temporary residence application. Visitor visa outside Canada, varies by country. Visitor visa inside Canada, 16 days online and 48 days by paper. Visitor extension, 162 days online and 201 days by paper. Parents or grandparents super visa, varies by country. Study permit outside Canada, 13 weeks. Study permit inside Canada, 9 weeks. Study permit extension, 75 days online and 156 days by paper. Work permit outside Canada, varies by country. Work permit inside Canada, initial application or extension 133 days online and 239 days by paper. International Experience Canada, varies by country. Electronic travel authorization, 5 minutes. Citizenship. Citizenship grant, 27 months. Citizenship certificate, proof of citizenship 17 months. Resumption of citizenship, 23 months. Renunciation of citizenship, 15 months. Search of citizenship record, 15 months. Adoption, 11 months for Part 1, Part 2 varies on complexity. Permanent resident, PR, cards. Renewing or replacing a PR card, 108 days. Waiting for first card, 103 days. Replacing or amending documents, verifying the status. Verification of status, 26 weeks. Replacement of valid temporary resident documents, 22 weeks. Amendments of immigration documents, 47 weeks. Amendments of valid temporary resident documents, 27 weeks. Thank you for staying until the end of our video. Turn on notifications and follow us on YouTube and other social media as well. See you in the next video.